update and recap on my Jeep video number 6A. And just to let you know, my son from 78 Stinkin' Lincoln is the one that gave me the info on these harnesses. And this is just another quick update. It'll be part of video number 7, my Jeep. And this is kind of a recap here at the beginning and at the end on some of the pictures you see of the wiring harnesses. I finally figured out what I have to do. My new hatch, I was able to get that unplugged, and I pulled the horn or the section of harness out that they had cut, removed it, and when I put this hatch up and mount it, I'll be able to plug it in to the harness, the existing harness in my Jeep. So I think that's going to work out. It's going to save me a lot of headaches. I just didn't know. And after looking at a lot of YouTube videos and pulling these interiors off and getting into it, I finally got it figured out. I hope this helps y'all, you know, because I haven't found actually too many videos on this part of the hatch. And here's a few more pictures on recap of what I did earlier. It's on number 6 video. And as I move along this coming week, I'll try to get this mounted. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Paul Stevens out for now.
They're coming back. They're coming back. Beautiful. Everyone should be proud of that flag. Do not dishonor it.